Welcome back to Fair Value Study. Today we are putting Datadog under the microscope, ticker symbol DDOG on the Nasdaq. If you are tracking the AI infrastructure trade, this is one name you cannot ignore right now. The headlines are electric. On May 7th, Datadog reported Q1 2026 earnings, hitting $1,006 million in revenue. That is a 32% jump year over year, marking the first time they crossed the $1 billion milestone in a single quarter, exploding the stock over 30% in one session. Datadog is rapidly dominating AI observability. They now have about 4,550 enterprise customers spending over $100,000 annually, pushing annual recurring revenue past $4 billion. Product-wise, they launched GPU monitoring, Bits AI security agent, and an MCP server to target the exact pain points of scaling AI. They also achieved FedRAMP High certification for federal workloads, leading management to raise full-year revenue guidance to between $4.30 and $4.34 billion. Now for the numbers. Trading around $222, the stock sits near its all-time high within a 52-week range of $98 to $224. Valuation looks intense with a trailing PE of 525 times, but the forward PE drops to a more reasonable 81 times. Price to book stands at 18.9, and the PEG ratio is 3.55. Q1 adjusted EPS came in at 60 cents, beating estimates by 18%, with full-year EPS forecast at $2.22. Technically, the RSI is overbought, but the MACD remains bullish. Resistance sits near 225, with support at 215. The stock is up nearly 90% over the past 52 weeks. Simply Wall Street puts fair value at $241, while the consensus target is $223, right where it trades today. Out of 44 analysts, the majority are heavily bullish. CIBC and D.A. Davidson lead with $250 targets. UBS, Scotiabank, and Needham sit between $220 and $225. Wedbush added DDOG to its AI 30 list, and Guggenheim upgraded it to buy, calling it a major AI winner. Citi also flagged a 90-day upside watch. The lone dissenter is Goldman Sachs with a sell rating and a $139 target, citing rising competition from cloud hyperscalers. This highlights the core debate. The bull case relies on exponential AI complexity where Datadog acts as the ultimate referee. The bear case warns that a 500 times trailing PE requires flawless execution against hyperscalers. At $222, near-term upside seems priced in, but continuous strong execution through 2026 makes those $245 to $250 targets highly achievable. That is your Datadog deep dive. The stock is hot, growth is real, and the AI tailwind is gaining speed. As always, do your own research and manage your risk carefully. This is Fair Value Study. Like and subscribe for daily market insights, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.